Thor Exterior Services here again. We just decided to pull in the driveway due to the fact that we got in the cul-de-sac. We ain't got much room here. The customer's not home. We got to come over here, but we got a window job to do. We're gonna do the windows. I'll show you what else we're gonna do. Got a little bit of flat work in the back. So let's see what we got here. We got a little gimmick here. There you go. So we're gonna hit this flat work, around the pool area. This flat work. Oh geez, I don't know about this flat work. Moving all this stuff. This is mainly a bad thing situation here. All these windows, and then we're gonna spray. I am gonna spray this little section here. This section here. I'm gonna hit this flat work, and this section looks soggy, muddy, nasty. Must have a leak over here or something. Oh yeah, and then I hit this. Let's see if I can get through here. Oh yeah, this is an in-law suite, so it's very nice. See all that? We're gonna hit all this. So we got multiple situations going on. We got a bunch of plants to move around, which I told the customer that he needs to do that. They didn't do that, so that means there's going to be an upcharge because we're not in the moving business. We're in the cleaning business. You follow me? So anyway, all right, let us get set up and we'll get rolling. Peace. We're going to clean all that pool area. So Tony's blowing it out. We're going to clean this real quick, and then a little walkway, and on the other side there's a little flat work, and then we're gonna wash that building after we do this, and then hit the windows, and we'll be rolling. Let's see how this works, baby. This looks like concrete, no texture. Okay. We're going to hit this with about a 3%, maybe even 4. So I'm going to hit my edges right here, property protection. I'm going to hit those too for them. Alright guys, I'm gonna go hit this second side. Let's see if we can get our hose over there first. I was gonna say if you wanted to, it don't matter. You got that? Good old whisper wash. Side, and what we're doing here is just putting a 4% on this thing, and coming out nice. I'll show you guys in a minute. Just let this sit, marinate. Make sure you get on that edge. We're already property protected, so we're good. Is it right here? All right. You don't want to use a surface cleaner by the pool, at least unless it's concrete. But and this kind of looks like a little bit of concrete, but I ain't taking a chance because that's an expensive fix. So you see, watch. In a minute, this will be all gone. All right, Tony, watch them hoses. And then we come back when we wash our net. We'll let this sit, marinate, and then rinse. You don't even have to rinse, but we're gonna rinse because they're coming back today to the pool to swim. So I'm gonna start over here. See, look at it, already changing colors. Beautiful, beautiful. Really ain't no property protection over here. We had a little incident here. We trying to move some of those plants, and one of the potters broke. So we're just gonna be transparent with the customer. Let them know we did it. We'll pay for it if we have to. Not a problem. It's part of doing business. Oh yeah, it's already clean. Look at it, beautiful. All right, let me come over here. Let me hit this area. Fish at the edge too. You just got to be careful so you don't walk on it, you know, and kind of track it all over the grass. Is that it? Yeah. Now how's this look? Oh, this looks brand new. Put another little spike on it. Beautiful. All right, Tony, we're gonna, where's the orange gun? The red gun, I'm sorry. I could probably hit a lot of it from here. Just wanna rinse some of this off. Just rinsing the screen off. Okay, now we'll let that sit. Let's go rinse this off, Tony. Huh? We had some tough spots back here, so we hit them and let them sit. So let's see how they look. See this wall? This wall came out nice. It was nasty, man. Very nasty. In my shade. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish rinsing this. We'll catch up on some window cleaning. Peace. And, we halfway done with the windows. We got everything else done. We just gotta finish the front windows. It's going really smooth with this Zero screen cleaner. First time we're using it actually. I bought it on Black Friday, forgot I had it. So let's see. Step on it a little bit, and then we come back like this. Give it a couple runs. Run through one more time. That is nice. Then is what we do, or is what I do. Let it drain a little bit. Then I give it a couple taps, gently. Because the one thing you don't want is tap water hitting the water-fed pole window. Okay, we'll just set this up, let it dry. So we got a couple more screens we're gonna hit, and then I'm gonna switch over to the one. We got one nozzle here. So this is a 3/8 air hose. I bought it from Amazon for like 25-30 bucks. And I cut the ends off, put one of these little barbs in there, 3/8 barb the hose. And I'll tell you, it works well. And then I put some quick connects on here. See, I got a quick connect on here. So, and I got valve here, and then a valve at the gun. So yeah, it's working good. And these windows are kind of funky a little bit. They were really bad with green, so I hit them with a little bit of bleach. And then we'll come back, water fed, pull them, and be out of here. So we got this one, that.
This screen ain't coming off.
Okay.
We got concrete blocking it.
That, and that. All right, we'll catch up. Peace. All done. So here we did a patio on the other side of this in-law suite. All the flat work here. Did the table. Did that table. Did we washed that building over here, and then also cleaned the windows. Inside are dirty, but I'm not doing inside. All the outside are clean. Look very good. Look very good. Really good. That water-fed pole is nice. It went smooth. It went smooth. A lot smoother than I thought. I mean, I think we got, you know, I think we got it all together. The only thing I would like to do is, instead of that little container thing, that water-fed pole, the mineral stuff, whatever that, you know, the tote, I think it's pretty heavy, filled with water. So yeah, we got all this done. This guy's gonna be not an annual, a biannual on windows. Look, boom, that thing's sticking. Did the front door. That's really nice. You don't have to dry or anything like that. Did that. Yeah, it's all good. So we're just picking up now. That hose is nice. It's 100 foot. I guess it could be shorter, but you know, most times we need that. Like when we're hitting a 2-story, we need to. The goal is to plug that thing in somewhere on the faucet and don't move around so much. But my next move is to, if I get more business in the window world, I'm gonna stationary this, put a reel or something. It's just too much doing all that. So anyway, we're gonna pack up, head out. We got another one on the books, some commercial work. Got a couple commercial jobs, and the residential business is blowing up with annuals and new calls. Stuck. And yeah, so it's all good. We'll catch up. Peace.